In my personal opinion, everyone should be empowered to use data within an organization. Having Julius on our side has allowed our team to effectively use data in the easiest format possible. My name is Aman Samra. I am the VP of Finance at Spellbook. We are the best generative AI tool for legal professionals where we help streamline both the document drafting and review process. At Spellbook, we are a very high volume business. We deal with very large data sets, sometimes 100,000 plus lines of data. Prior to Julius, we had a very manual intensive process. We practically spent 8 to 10 hours a week in order to extract any data and provide insights and feedback to our stakeholders. And so a lot of that 8 to 10 hours was basically spent on cleaning and kind of structuring the data so I can kind of format it in a way that I can use it. And my background is not in data science, and so I'm doing the best as I can as a finance person, but with Julius, I now basically have a data analyst that really has stepped up the game for us. And those 8 to 10 hours have basically turned into like a couple minutes. And Julius has changed the game for me. Some of the cool features that have come out with Julius, like creating heat maps, regression analysis, all those fun things, they're super valuable for our stakeholders. Currently, our focus is mainly on the analytics and insights side of Julius. So a lot of the stuff that we're using it for is to understand forecasts, understanding our sales forecasts, sales performance, expense forecasting as well. It's super helpful and can get very granular, which I actually love. We wanted to understand the segmented profile of our NRR related to our CSM, and the insight that we found was CSM owned accounts had an NRR of 50% better than our non-CSM owned accounts. And we found out that we would probably have a 300 to 400% NRR for some specific cohorts. As a result of that, we've been investing more in CSMs through the insight that Julius provided us. At a high growth startup, time is your most valuable resource. I'm saving 8 to 10 hours a week, and that allows me to spend more time on strategic areas that are providing higher value add to the business. So now I can just become a data scientist without actually needing to go to school for all those skill sets.